another recipe, and we are gonna make the most delicious Choc hazelnut milk. So you wanna talk us through it?
Yes, I'm so excited because it's super easy to make your own milk. You literally just blend it and you're pretty much done. So first we're gonna add 4 cups of water to the blender. Next we're adding some dates.
We've got 4 pitted medjool dates because they're nice and caramelly, aren't they? We've got a cup of hazelnuts here.
Perfect, add them in.
Chuck them in.
Bit of salt.
Bit of vanilla. It's so easy. Is that enough?
Yeah.
A bit more?
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Sweet here.
Yeah.
And then the secret ingredient, you need this, the protein, to make it extra chocolatey.
So we're using the whey, but you can use
Whey.
vegan.
You can use whatever you like.
Right, should we blend?
Blend.
We're good to go?
Next, we strain it with a nut bag.
It smells really good. Smell it. Have a little sniff. Oh, look at that. That's amazing.
Wow.
It's so silky smooth, isn't it?
Super smooth. I don't think I can do this. Wait, pull the string.
Oh, okay.
I've stitched myself up here. All right, and then I think we squeeze it.
Oh,
so
squeeze
that's
it?
kind of gross, but whatever.
Do we use our hands?
I guess so.
Oh!
Like milking a cow.
Have you milked a cow before?
No, have you?
I actually have, and it was so weird, and it was slimy.
How did you get in that situation?
I went to the farm barn. I volunteered to do this.
Oh, you're such a good person.
No, I didn't do it because I was just there. It's just like a thing you do at the farm barn.
Oh, okay.
Hope my hands are clean. Just kidding, they're so clean. I washed them. I washed them right before we did this.
Yeah.
10 hours later. It goes like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So now it's going to be the challenge because we have to get it from there in there without it going everywhere. Yeah, funnel. No, we don't have one actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is not going to work well. Lucky I'm here to hold this.
I know.
What would you do without me?
Okay, ready? Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared. Oh! Just keep going. I think you just need to send it. Send it.
Send it.
That works.
That works. Get it now. You get a straw and just sip that up.
Oh, okay. That's great. Okay, wait.
Look at that. We've got a whole, that's 1 litre.
Cut this out. Edit this out.
1 litre of amazing hazelnut water. I mean, milk. Okay.
What? We don't have any left. We use them all. Okay.
Oh, my fingers.
Can we please wash up? Wait.
Okay. All right, ready? How much do you want?
Whatever.
We should make a coffee with this.
Yes, that would be delicious.
All right, there you go.
All right.
Okay, cheers.
Yum.
Oh, that's so yummy.
It's really good.
I like it because it's like we made a smoothie, but it's not a smoothie. It's actually
it's
milk.
nice and light.
Yeah, it's really light. Cheers.
Be sure to tag us when you make your own Choc hazelnut milk.
Yeah, on the gram.
Highly recommend this one.
Yeah, this is good. This is my
very
favourite
good.
one.
Yeah.
So far.